Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. um this video I want to do a preview of the markets, a preview on how I did my analysis, how I took the trade. So as you can see, this trend, you can see this trend line which goes up like this, forms like a W. You can see, you can see you can see the W shape. So this is where I waited market. So when I saw this kind of a trend in the market is trying to form a W sign, a M sign or a W sign, which is like this. So once the market forms and hit and maybe reach this point and reach something like this is where I took a sell, and this was where I marked my first take profits at this point, because the market will have to, you can see this bullish sign which is here. You can see this bullish sign. So I took a sell up to this point, then this is where I mark my first take profit. So I took my profits at this point, because the market still has to go and maybe breaks down, but the market is a higher level to reach this spot. So this is how I took the trade on GBP USDT with the W sign, with the M sign, I mean. um and also this is euro USD. You can see the W sign, also the M sign also. You can see once the market forms something like this and the market gets breaks, give me a rejection, like two rejection, then I looked for a sell, then I took a sell, then I mark, because I know that the market will have to reach this other rejection line, will have to go down and reach. This is where I marked my first take profit. Then your second take profit should maybe be at this, within this level, within this level. But normally you have to, this is where I marked my take profits at this point. But the market, see now, you can see the market now later went up and come and break down. Once the market break down to this level, now you can see it comes, you can see, maybe you can still go down to this level, to this point of resistance. So this was how I took a trade. I marked my first take profit at this spot. I took my profits at this level. So thank you for watching. You can join my Telegram channel for trading signals. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.